Alannah with Coding Clubhouse here with.
Justin Karneges from Fanout.
So, what does Fanout do?
It makes it easy to add real-time push to your API.
So, what sorts of things is Fanout useful for?
Well, if you're building, let's say, a social application or a financial application and you want to give the latest information to your users, we make it easy to push that data to them.
Can it also be used for, let's say, collaboration in making it?
You could definitely use it in a collaboration application. I'm sure if you've used Google Docs before, the fact that typing into a document makes an update for your friend is killer. So we think real-time push is very important for collaboration.
So, do you just work on APIs or do you also do other things?
You could use it for something that isn't an API, but we generally focus on folks that have APIs or at least some kind of API-first strategy. Maybe they're the only ones using the API for now, but it's part of their strategy, and so we definitely focus on APIs.
Cool. So, is this a free software?
Yeah, so well, it's actually literally free software in the sense that it's open source, so you can download it and use it at no cost. And then we also offer commercial support on top of that. But if you don't even want to download it or wrestle with that, we also have a cloud service that you can use, and it's also free to sign up. And we bill based on usage once you actually have a decent amount of usage.
So, what's your mission with Fanout?
We want to bring real time to everyone. So we think that users are beginning to expect real time. They don't want to have to refresh their browser or anything like that. And but in the API world, well, that's the name of this place. But in the API space, many APIs are not yet real time. And so if we all believe in this transition to a world of APIs, but users don't want to have to refresh their apps, then these APIs need to be real time. And so we want to help everybody out in doing that.
So, is this available now?
It is. You can go to fanout.io and check it out.
So, where should someone go for more information?
Definitely that website. We also have pushpin.org, which is our open source project. You can also check us out on GitHub. Our username there is Fanout.
Cool. So, is there any advice you have for young coders in the world?
Well, I started programming when I was young, and I loved it. So if you're able to do that, if you're able to, man, I used to go to the library and get books. I guess you don't do that anymore. But if you're, get your parents on board. Make sure they're okay with you studying this stuff. Sometimes you have to do it outside of school. I had some great mentors when I was younger. Some friends that had, computer engineers as parents. Just seek out smart people that can mentor you. That's what I would say.
Is there anything else you'd like to say?
No, I think this was great. Thanks for the interview. Nice meeting you.
Okay, well, that's all from me. Bye.